Hi guys, so we're up to lesson 5 now, and in lesson 5 I'm going to be talking about how the money is actually made through your website. So, quick review like I do with all these lessons. In the first lesson we talked about the general overview of how money is made on the internet. I showed you websites and how they work, and how they make money, my own personal examples. In lesson 2 I talked about niche selection, and I also gave you examples of niches and told you how to pick your own. In lesson 3 I talked about how to make a website and how easy it was to do it. And in lesson 4 I talked to you about keywords and content and how those things actually get ranked by Google, and that brings visitors to your websites. Now, once visitors are on your website, this is where lesson 5 comes into play. Once visitors are on your website, they're going to be reading your content, they're going to be taking your advice. This is where you actually want to make a pitch for a certain product. So, for example, if someone has joint problems, that's a niche topic, and they come to your website seeking solutions to joint problems, you would want to promote a joint pill or some kind of joint solution book to them because that's going to help them solve their problem. That's really one way you want to think about it. Whenever you're a customer and you got to put yourself in the shoes of the customer and you're looking for a solution to something, if somebody provides that to you, you're much more likely to buy it versus somebody coming up to you and trying to sell something when you're not in the mood to buy something. When people have problems, and in niche topics they often do have problems, such as with joint issues, they're already waiting to buy something. They just need to find that one product that helps them out with this kind of stuff. And your website is the one that's going to be providing that. Now, it doesn't have to be on joint issues. I'm just giving you an example of how niche websites work. You can totally apply to the one that you chose, which may not necessarily involve joint problems. Now, in order to make sales on the internet, you can either promote other people's products, which is called affiliate marketing, which, as I said in the beginning of this course, I practice mainly affiliate marketing, or you could sell your own products. But for the focus of this lesson, we're going to focus on affiliate marketing. Now, in affiliate marketing, you do not need to own the product. That is one of the greatest things that you can find on the internet is that you can promote pretty much anything without having to buy it. And this provides you huge savings when you make your online business because you just have to review the products, and if the products make sales, you make free money technically. I mean, it's a little bit more harder than that, but in terms of investment, it's $0. That's why I like affiliate marketing so much. But in order to register with affiliate programs, you have to find a few of them. So the first thing you really want to do is find affiliate programs that have the product or the solution to your niche's problem. So there are a couple that I really recommend. Amazon is one of them. Now, in order to register with Amazon and start promoting all of their products, you have to register with a program called Amazon Associates. I'm going to show you how that place works. Then the other place I'm going to talk about is Clickbank, which is it's not a bank. It's actually a digital marketplace that also sells products, but it actually offers higher commissions. Now on Amazon, you have a bigger volume of products that you can promote, but lower commissions. Now it's a trade-off. You sometimes maybe on Amazon you want to sell really high-cost items, and even though the commission is low, you get paid a lot of money. And on ClickBank, perhaps you'll find a good product that also sells well. Now there are other programs. There's Commission Junction. There's JVZoo. There's just a bunch of other programs, but I'm gonna stick to Amazon Associates and ClickBank because it's gonna be enough to drive the message home. Now, on these two websites, you're gonna want to find products to promote to your. You're gonna find the products that solve your niche's problem and promote them through affiliate links. And the affiliate links are basically special links that you're given when you want to promote a product that you put on your website. And if people click on that link and they buy through that link, you automatically get the commission. Think of affiliate links as like this recording mechanism that if people buy and click on it, the program from which they buy it say, okay, that was the person that made the sale, so we're going to give them the commission. It's all automated. Many of these programs, they pay you via check, they pay you via PayPal. It's really simply done. So let me go to Amazon Associates just to explain how this works. So this is Amazon Associates. This is the actual program that you will work with if you want to promote stuff on Amazon. So let's say I type in fat burning pills. Or you know what? Let me, okay, well, here it is. There's a bunch of different fat burning pills that I could promote. See here where it says get link? If I click on that, it's going to give me a link, and the price of this product is $29.99. Now I could choose a text only link, I could choose an image only link, and whatever it is, this is the link that I get. If I put this link on my website, I'm going to basically get credit each time somebody buys through it. Now, I was talking about joint problems in the beginning of this video, so if you were registered with Amazon Associates and you typed in joint relief, The Amazon Associates is going to bring back results that relate to this kind of stuff. So, for example, glucosamine, it's a very popular product that helps with knee problems, joint relief. You can promote all of these products. It's crazy the amount of stuff that you can promote. So, I mean, and it just keeps loading more and more and more. There's hundreds and thousands of products that you can promote from joint relief alone. And if you want to talk numbers, I mean, whatever niche you're in, Amazon Associates is probably going to have a product that you could promote. So there's millions of options. You're not going to get lost here. You're going to find a product that you want to promote. You're going to get the link, and you're going to put the link on your website. Now, the other program that I want to talk about is Clickbank. So Clickbank is also a program that is like Amazon in a way, but it doesn't have as much products, but it does pay better. And I go to affiliate marketplace, and let's see, I type in, wait, let's type in dieting. Let's see what comes up. Healthy Mediterranean diet recipes. Okay, the algorithm diet. You know what? Let me type in a diet that I know works pretty well, the 3-week diet. So in this particular case, we have different options. See where it says promote? This is basically like Amazon's version of the get link tab. But in this case, if you click on promote, let's say the 3-week diet, for each sale that you make, you get an average of $32.64 per sale. That's pretty huge. And if I click on promote, I'm going to type in the nickname that I make on Clickbank. So you have to register with Clickbank first, and as well as you have to register with Amazon Associates if you're going to promote for them. They're going to take down your name. They're going to take down your address. That's just personal stuff for tax purposes that they need. It's a legitimate company, so I just wanted to get that out of the way. But anyway, once you set up an account with Clickbank, for example, they're going to ask you to make a nickname. So let's say my nickname is the name that I chose. Now, tracking ID, you can leave this out. It says it's optional. It's basically done that if you have like multiple promotions of the same program, if you get sales from different areas, you want to know where it comes from, that's when you use this. But for now, just leave this blank and use this. So whatever nickname you chose, your nickname is where you're going to paste this over here. So I'm going to choose my nickname, and I'm going to click create. Account nickname isn't valid. Let me use another one then. Let me use the one that I always use, which is this one. Create. Okay, there it is. So this is the affiliate link that I got. Now you're going to see a second link over here. That's the HTML version. It's literally the same thing, but just with a little bit more coding. The first one is the one that I want. So Clickbank pays you 75% when you sell the 3-week diet product. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to head over to my website, and I'm going to put this up there. Now, that's basically how the process of registering with affiliate programs and promoting products works. Now, to give you an illustration of how this works on one of my websites, I'm going to go to my weight loss site where I was promoting a product called Mago 7. Now, if you notice, nowhere on this page do I actually have like those really, really long links that you saw, those really confusing looking HTML ones. And the reason being is that I'm actually hiding them in the picture over here. Right here where it says Mago 7, as you can see, I'm moving my mouse around and it turns into a click. So if I click on this, guess what? It's going to take me to the Amazon page. Boom. So each time somebody buys this, they click add to cart and they buy this, I'm going to get credit for selling a Mago 7 pill. And I've gotten many sales of selling this just like that. Same thing over here. They click on this. This is also an affiliate link. There's also links over here. That's basically how it is. You're going to be hiding these affiliate links within your content. Now, you may be asking yourself, why would I want to hide the links? Wouldn't I want them to appear out so people can actually click on them? And the answer is both yes and no. The thing is, when I have a picture of the product and the link is hidden within that product, it automatically makes people want to click on it because they assume by clicking on it they're going to be able to buy it. That's the thought process that they have. It's the same thing when I hide the link in one of these words over here. When people see a blue link, for example, such as over here where it says this free ebook, that already tells them that this is a link that they're going to click on. And if you correctly write your content that puts out these links in the right areas, people are going to click on it and they're going to buy. So it's actually a better way of doing it. So that's basically the process. That's the end of this lesson. And in the next one, I'm going to be talking about how to turn all this into a huge online business and make good money on the internet. Thanks a lot. And I always say this at the end of each lesson. If you have any questions and you're on YouTube, for example, and you're on this lesson, leave a comment below the video. Or if you are on the website, please leave a comment on the website itself, and I'd be more than happy to answer any and all questions. I hope to see you guys in the next lesson. Thanks.